So what we do is the two rod holders that we have here, made these, put those in myself, flat them out a little bit so you could see, you could adjust them to whatever angle you want. If you want them to be out, sort of a trolling mode, you can do that. If you want them towards the back, you can do that. And if you want it straight up, you could just about do it like that. So just a little bit of a bend so you could see it. Just a slight angle, probably about 15 degrees. But it works out well. They fit in nice. And the best part about them is you put your CTug strap right in front there, and it won't slide forward because of the hump that comes up here, and it won't slide backwards. So you can basically, wherever those wheels will hold up, you could take your kayak to. Anyway, that's how I mount my CTug, and these are really cool and important to have and to help you prevent the tug. And also I strap it down like this. My trailer strap goes right over there. Okay, got it. Thanks, guys.